Welcome back. This week's video is about the Rad Mini and the best way to carry it in my little Class C RV. So it's time to get down to it. I keep it behind the passenger seat right now, but then that kind of limits me when I want to flip the seat around and use it on the swivel seat that I installed. So I keep looking. I've got this dinette table. It's worked out okay, but it's really not the best for just one person traveling. So it's time for some construction work. Let's see if we can't not tear up my little RV and make it to where it's actually functional. Okay, well, it's off. Let's see. I don't know if I really like it here. It limits the space, and I still want to be able to carry my little plant around. So let's take this off and see what happens. Maybe I can get it here. I never use this seat anyways. Okay, time for some construction. I think I have a plan. Let's see what happens. And when you are nomadic, it's great to have good friends where you can just park in their driveway, borrow a few electric tools that you don't carry yourself, and it makes for a nice place. Thanks, Kathy and Joe. You have a wonderful side parking lot to enjoy for all your driveway surfing friends. Thank you. So I used the original hardware and be able to make a small table for my plant to have a permanent home in the RV. Now to decide how to secure it to the original seat hardware so that it will be secure. I think I have a plan. Let's see what happens. I think it'll be nice and secure. A few more cuts and I believe I will be complete. The project's good. I don't like the way it sits here, so I'm going to flip it around, bolt it in so it feels like it's going to be nice and solid. It sits here without any straps now to get the lagoon table up. I don't really like it on this thing, so I think I'm going to change that whole system out. We'll see how I can get that attached in the near future here, but it's time for a bike ride, and this is the Lake Almanor bicycle trail on the west shore. It's a good 18-mile ride, beautiful views as you can see of the lake, and you go up into the woods at some points. So enjoy, folks. I'll catch you at the end of the video. The Rad Mini is such a fun electric bike to ride. It's absolutely easy to ride. It goes, actually I've gotten over 40 miles just with a small assist. It's pretty fabulous, folks. Lake Almanor, California, plenty of campgrounds, plenty of relaxing scenery, and a great bike trail on the west shore of the lake. All you full-timers, put this in your destination stop and hey, ride the bike trail, Rad Mini or not. Thank you for watching this week, and we will catch you next week. Remember to subscribe, share the video, and like the video, please. Thank you so much. Have a great week, everyone.